Alright, in this video we're going to talk about Unit 2, Objective 2, the product rule. So this is the second big derivative rule that we're going to get. So what this one says is if u and v are differentiable functions, then the derivative with respect to x of u times v is going to be u prime, so the derivative of u times v plus v prime, or the derivative of v times u. Now this is one that a lot of people have trouble with seeing at first. It's one that's kind of easy to overlook, so we have to keep careful. We have to keep an eye out for any time we have something with an x times something with an x. This one's, like I said, kind of easy to look over. So let's look at an example and see what this is actually going to look like. So find f prime if f of x equals x squared plus 1 times x cubed plus 3. Check your solution by distributing and taking a derivative. So if we look, we have something here that has an x in it, we'll call it u. We have something here that has an x in it, we'll call it v. And we have u times v in this problem. So this thing with an x times this thing with an x. So this is going to be a good candidate for our product rule. So if we think about our product rule, we know we're going to need a u prime. So taking the derivative of this, drop the 2, I'm going to get 2x to the first power. Derivative of 1 is 0, so u prime is just 2x. Take the derivative of the second part of the v, take the derivative of x to the third, so we're going to get 3x squared. The derivative of 3 is just 0, so u prime is 2x, v is 3x squared. So we can now start to build our derivative. So f prime of x is going to be u prime, so 2x times v, x to the third plus 3, plus v prime, 3x squared, times u, x squared plus 1. And generally speaking, if this were a multiple choice question on the AP exam, they tend to leave it like this. But since our directions want us to check our solution by distributing, let's go ahead and distribute now so our answers will match. So we can distribute, get 2x to the fourth plus 6x plus 3x to the fourth plus 3x squared. And we can combine some like terms and get 5x to the fourth plus 6x plus 3x squared. Should probably put these in descending order, but that's okay for now. And then let's go ahead and start this problem again from scratch, but let's distribute this stuff first. So we're going to get x to the fifth, then we're going to get 3x squared plus x to the third, and then plus 3. So if we take the derivative of this function, it should match what we have up here. So let's go ahead and do that using our power rule. So drop the 5, decrease by 1, 5x to the fourth, that's a good start. Plus, drop the 2, multiply it by this 3, get a 6x, so we got that as well. Drop the 3, decrease by 1, got the 3x squared, and the derivative of 3 is just 0. So if we look, both of those derivatives are the same. So our power rule and our product rule gave us the same answer. Now there's one other way that we can look at these problems, and it's something that AP likes to do. They like to ask this type of question with both product and quotient rules as well as the chain rule. So what they're going to do is say something like let y equals u times v be the product of two functions u and v. Find y prime of 2 if 2, or sorry, that should say u of 2 right here. If u of 2 equals 3, u prime of 2 equals 4, should be an equal sign, and v of 2 equals 1, v prime of 2 equals 2. So what they're expecting you to do is start with your function y equals u times v and take the derivative of just this. So that's just the rule that we know. So u prime v plus v prime u. And now we need to find y prime of 2. So that's y prime. We want y prime of 2. Well, y prime of 2 is going to be u prime of 2 times v of 2 plus v prime of 2 times u of 2. So really we're just taking 2 and plugging it into the function, even though we don't know what the function is. But the problem gives us everything we need to know. So we know u prime of 2 is 3, v of 2 is 1, v prime of 2 is 2, and u of 2 is 4. So that's going to be 3 plus 8. So that's going to give us an answer of 11. So that'll do it for this video. We will see you in the next one.